This video is just a very quick update on yesterday's progress, which wasn't much, unfortunately. We kind of got rained out, so to speak. Since there's no electricity, there's no lighting in there. Storm came in and kind of blocked out some light, and then we couldn't see very well, so we just stopped for the day. Anyway, I kind of wanted to give you an update on the live streaming that I was planning on doing. Well, it turns out that I'm not going to be able to do that anytime soon. My internet is simply not fast enough to be able to live stream. I might be able to maybe do it with my phone, but I tested it last night, and even that was pretty slow. There was a very bad delay in the picture and the audio, and when I tried to do the live stream with a screen capture, which is what I was originally planning on doing, it was actually several minutes delayed. So it's just not really possible to do that right now. Maybe if I can upgrade my internet a little bit later, I might be able to do it, but for now, I'm just going to have to do the videos. So that was kind of a bummer, but eventually I'll get it upgraded and then I'll be able to live stream. So okay, good. We're gonna get the two windows over here done, the window over there done, and then we're going to work on the floor and try to get it done if we can today. And that's today's plan. Okay, we got this window down here, and this is the only one we're going to do today because we got a major storm moving in and I don't want to open up those other windows. So we'll try to get to those tomorrow. And we're going to go work on the floor and see if we can hopefully get a bunch of that done.
Let me go.
Okay, this is how we're getting the boards out. We have to stick it under there, and then we have to wiggle them until either the nail breaks or at least lets go.
Okay.
Nail the wood, or
Some of them come out of hell. Some of them break when you pull them up. That's usually because they have nails in them. And if you're lucky, they don't have nails. So.
actually that one does have a nail, it just broke off.
Yeah, well, this one was already rusted, so it broke it pretty easily.
Yeah.
Some of them are still holding up.
Anyways, that's how we are getting this floor up.
Very slowly.
Very slowly.
Turn the mic on?
No, I didn't. We're close enough. It really doesn't need it. And these boards do have some damage to them. Some holes. Alright. And that's what we're doing right now. And there's a big storm brewing outside. I don't know if you can see it. It's getting pretty nasty out there. So, we don't know how long we're going to be here. All right.
That's what I was talking about.
Well, if it broke too much, then...
Stupid nail.
She's fighting with it. It's winning. Okay, I'm going to turn this off now. Okay, so we're gonna have to quit for the day because there's no light in here and it's getting dark enough because of the storm that we can't see anymore. At least not well. So we will continue the floor tomorrow. And maybe the other two windows.